Hey all, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to change Google Sheets border thickness. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now you can see here some text and data. Now I want to change the sheets border thickness. Now I am select some cell. Then click this border option. And we can see here the all border. Now I am click this. You want to change the thickness, go to the border style option and we can see here the thickness of the border. You can increase this thickness, otherwise decrease this. Make the dotted border, double line or single line border. You can see we change the thickness of border Google Sheets very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.